new Tallahassee, Florida, Temple of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints is situated atop a 46-foot hill. It is just one story, but the temple's large central spire gives the impression of a taller structure. With a volume of 29,000 square feet, it is an imposing edifice that will soon serve approximately 3,600 members. Architectural precast concrete was chosen for the project to meet the quality, resiliency, construction, and design goals of the owner and designer. The stone-like exterior features four-sided columns, large cornices, delicate tracery, and intricate lettering. This timeless aesthetic belies the technology and technical expertise behind the construction and is a prime example of precast concrete's ability to emulate any architectural style. The ivory-colored exterior is highly consistent in color and texture, and exceptionally sharp lines were achieved with the glass blast finish. Curved and rectangular molds were used to produce multiple components that were assembled in the yard before shipping to the job site. The detailed features of the facade were carefully planned, coordinated, and produced. Computer numerical control-routed molds, handcrafted molds, and formliner pieces, combined with the flawless execution of the precaster, produced innovative panels that achieved the desired aesthetic. For this outstanding use of architectural precast concrete, PCI is proud to present Gate Precast Company with the 2023 Sidney Freedman Craftsmanship Award.